So, an E36 day. Time to start bolting stuff back together. So, rear brake calipers. Brick acid is your best friend. I'll stick some before and after pictures up of those. But yeah, rear brakes off E36. Stripped all these down, new seals. Pistons were alright. Sliders, if that's what you call them, they were fine, so I've kept them as the new ones as spares. But most important bits were the seals inside there. Brake pads. To be honest, I can't remember what these are. Bought them about 3 years ago. Don't know, I'm sure somebody will tell me. But anyway. But yeah, these are rear calipers off E36. So they'll look down here. That's what they got to go back on. You can see, covered that in the previous video or a future video. Depends which order these guys will get loaded, but I'll put them back together, bolt them on, see what they look like, see how they slide, and yeah, hopefully they should be okay. And I'm not bugging them up by stripping them down. What I didn't say before is brick acid. So just your everyday brick acid. I think that came from Tool Station. I think it's about, I don't know, tenner for 5 litres. All I did was strip these down, removed all the seals, removed everything, put them in there for 24 hours, and it just stripped all the bits of rust off. Normally I'd have sat for an hour with a wire brush and my grinder grinding these back, but thought, yeah, I'll try it. And the only reason I found that out is because I was playing around cleaning up some bolts and just wondered what would happen. Obviously it does remove a very thin layer of metal, but you know, effectively that's the rust, so that's the finished result. So we'll get these bolted on, let's see what they look like. Calipers finished. As I haven't mentioned what I'm doing with those. One job I didn't think or plan to do is, that's the prop of the E36. If you look, you can see 4 bolts. Bring it under the car. So, M3 diff, rebuilt with the limited slip, and we've rebuilt that and polybushed it and stuck it into a new subframe. Obviously all the arms, new suspension that fit off, but we've actually got the diff in. You can see that's the flange of the back of the diff, and you can see 4 bolts there, but there's 6. So what I didn't realise is the M3 uses a 6 bolt flange. E36 328 standard diff uses 4. So I'm going to get a picture. What I had to do is buy an M3 prop, clean and refurb all that, check the joints. Support bush, zoom in there, that was fine, which came with it. Just got to bolt this back up, get the heat shields back on, and then yeah, carry on from there. Not as much as what I thought I'd get done, but you can see a little bit there. Exhaust back on, all the heat shields, props on. Ted, you trying to help? Ted, pass me the 12mm socket. You don't know what a 12mm socket is? He's only training. Yeah, so exhaust system's on, and then ready tomorrow. We can start fitting that bad boy. See what it is. Scorpion again. I've had this about 2 years now, 2-3 years when I start collecting bits for this. But yeah, tomorrow we'll get it fitted on there and get it started up. Yes, thank you NHS and thank you BMW. Just been to pick these bits up, so they're the bits I was missing. So prop gasket for the rear. Those E36 sway bar linkage brackets, I don't know if that's what you actually call them. And then in there we've got 2 gaskets for the top mounts for the rear shocks, so we can get those fitted today as well. So yeah, thank you BMW. Ted, do you want to help fit the sway bar links? Yeah? It's not a bone. What about those? You go fit them first and then I'll stick these on. That looks very similar to that. Which one are you going to choose? Sway bar, chewy. Sway bar, chewy. Sway bar? Well, it's a sway bar link, but no? Ah, you're going to start work on the exhaust, right, I see. Alright, sort of. Definitely slow progress. Right, so you can see, oh, I don't know if you can just make it out, it's a sway bar link that Ted was meant to be helping with. As I go round, might be a bit hard to see on camera, but those are e36 arms, so not meant to be on this. If you can see the bracket, that's the bracket we picked up from BMW earlier, so that's in. Just need to get it on its own weight, and then we can connect the roll bar up to sway bar link. We're in for on roll bars. Let's go through. So I went for the rated H&R roll bars. Obviously can't remember how much thicker these are, but you know the old ones were pretty thin and crusty, so we took those off and replaced them. Got one on the back, one on the front, and then the exciting bit now, well, it's for me I suppose. Centre section's on, cat's on, took all them ages ago, cleaned all them, sprayed them, heat proof paint, and then that's ready. For that to go on. Can't make that out, that's Scorpion exhaust. Get that cleaned up and fit and see what that is. One thing I did find, not a drill, not the spare wheel out on this. Let's have a look. Original alloy. With, you can see the bits there. Looks like the original tyre. Surprising to say this is 20-year-old. Isn't cracked at all, but crack on, clean this up and put that back on.